Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Technical MEP Information. Today I will share you the new video. If you have a plan to buy a AC for your home and office, so before buying, watch this video completely and calculate your environment where you install the new AC, because this is a one time installation and you will not replace it again and again. So let's start it. In this video, we will discuss that how will you select the best AC for your home and office. So this method is very simple and easy, and anyone can understand and do it them himself. And I always try to share the best and easy method for my viewers. So this is a very simple and easy method. So this method anyone can try it, anyone can do it. This method is not for engineers and professionals. If you are using the imperial system like FIT, so you can directly insert the value from your room size is here. But if you are using the metric system, so don't worry, I just insert here the meters to foot. So you can just very simply insert the room dimension in the meters, so you can calculate here. Like I have a room like 3 meters, so you can insert like this, or if you have a 4 meters, so very easily you can transfer your metric system to imperial systems. So for example, I am using metric system in here. So I am using the 4 meter length is 13.12336, and the width I have a 6 meters, so 16.68504. And height we will take for example 3 meters. The height is a 3 meter, so 9.842. so this is my room dimension in fits. The total area for this square feet is 258. Approximate cooling load is 5166 BTU per hour, and the required cooling load is 7000 BTU per hour. So if you check this table, 258 is 300 around. So if you check the 300 is a 7000 BTU. So 7000 BTU required in empty room, but we are not discussing here for the empty room. So let's discuss for this matters. Adjust the cooling factors. How many person will use this room? So I will write here 3. If you have a window face in your west or southwest, so just make it yes. Otherwise, if you don't have a window, any window, so make it in no. So I have a window in my room, yes, so I will make the yes because the sunlight is directly come to from this window, so I will make the yes. Room is extremely shaded. So if you have a window for north or northeast side, so just try to make it yes. If you don't have, so make it no. I don't have, so I will make the no. Room include a working kitchen. If you have a kitchen to attach in this room, so you just make it a yes, otherwise make it no. AC will run only at night. In my condition, the weather is hot outside, so not only night, my AC is working for day and night also, so I will make it no. Total electrical equipment, if you know this one, how many watts equipment you have in this room, so just make it. If you don't understand that how many electrical equipment and how many watts you have, normally the normal person is cannot understand for the how many watts the equipment, so just try to make it just leave it this 1500 or make it 2000. 1500 to 2000 is a normal. Okay, total light fixtures load, if you have a light fixtures like normal light fixtures is 100 watt. If you have a heavy lights in your rooms, so just make it 150 or 200, anything else. So this result is appear for your AC. Total required cooling load 17.8 17,800 BTU, per hour. And size of air conditioner, it's a 1.49 tons. This is for your information, is that 12,000 BTU per hour required 1 ton AC, and the 24,000 BTU required 2 ton AC. Like between this value you will require 1.49 1.5 ton AC required. It means that 1.5 ton AC required for your room with this dimension and with this criteria. If you change your criteria, so definitely it will be changed. So we can say, according to this result, that we need the AC is 1.5 ton or 5.25 kilowatt AC required, or required cooling load 17,800 BTU per hour. In addition, if you have any doubt or any question, so you can just go to my YouTube channel Technical MEP Information and ask me directly in comments, or privately you can ask anything. I recommend you join my channel for the new video. So stay tuned. I will come soon with the new video, with the new calculation, and with the new easy methods for my viewers. Thank you very much for watching.